Runs fucking mint. Runs fucking mint. Back at it. Headed to look at a N54. So I know I promised that I was gonna stick to B58 and only solely that, but we are. I am gonna go pick up this 335 that I purchased. It's full bolt on. Doesn't run great. Transmission is in limp mode, but for the price, I kind of couldn't say no. So driving about an hour and 30 minutes for it. It was a repossession, so you already know the person who had it probably dogged it out, didn't do much maintenance. And I was able to check out the injectors and plugs. Most things looked original, so we might be able to get away with replacing some of those for some misfires. So yeah, so headed to Goldsboro, North Carolina. I'll update you guys when I'm there. This is I'm actually passing one of the biggest auctions here. I think this is Copart. I want to say they're Raleigh. Ginormous, man. I can't even believe how big it is. But most of the cars are just trash. I need to go take a tour in there, see what they got. But I thought y'all have something cool that we have in Carolina. We got a little big Copart. Actually have 3 Coparts now in North Carolina, so it's always something to find in those, but generally nothing good. All right, y'all, there it is. Gotta load that thing up in the trailer. Pay the man. What y'all think? Let me know. I'll show y'all, walk around in a minute. All right, y'all, gotta load it up on the trailer. Overall body's pretty nice. Rims are nice and a little spacers on them. It's got an exhaust, I guess. Let me just, yeah, muffler. Oh, yeah, it does have a little exhaust. Jones, I don't know who that is, but they got that. Yeah, pretty sweet. Pretty excited about this one. Just ran some codes. Yeah, you see, we're gonna have to probably do an M Sport bumper by 4s, y'all. But you see, we already got a full bolt-on package on this. Even the scoops. Excited, y'all. Excited. All right, we're gonna trailer it home. Show y'all some of the interior stuff. We gotta do a big clean out, and then update y'all on what we need to do to fix it. Talk to y'all later. Whose man's Mustang is that? Whose man's Mustang is that? Like it went off-roading, airbags popped out. Let's see. Hold on. Oh man, poor bastard. Give y'all a walk around the car. If anybody can name me this color, I'd appreciate it. I'm sponsored by Fanta now. Just kidding. But yeah, so got these really cool wheels on it. They look like M wheels because they have the insert for the M symbol. Bumper's a little hurt. I don't know what the hell they put on here, man. I might be able to fix this thing without having to replace the whole bumper, because the rest of the car looks pretty good, man. This is without ever, having it cleaned. It's got dirt galore on it. They put some sort of shitty wax on it. It's got tinted windows. Rims are not in bad shape. There's a bad tire on it, but then they took this. They had a wing on here, silicone or something with silicone on, which is insane, man. But I have to see how we get that off. Like I said, anybody got tips on how to do a lot of this work, we can get it done. Interior is just disgusting. I mean, it's not even worn out, it's just dirty. Like, look at that. Look at the doors. I mean, dude, look at this shit, man. Disgusting. So I had to get a big trash bag and some gloves, so I don't touch no needles. And then we'll see how clean we can get this bitch. I give the pig a bath. A few things we're gonna do on this thing. We're gonna repair this bumper. Very common. People zip tie them. I'm gonna go ahead and restore these headlights. Body wise, this is in pretty good dang shape, man. I'm not gonna lie. I'm definitely get rid of these. Do have a scratch here, but I do have a scratch right here, but not much I can do about that here. Still drying a little bit, but overall paint's in great shape. Now for the interior, I spent a lot of time working in here and doing what I can. I can't promise anything on this, but the seats don't really have holes in them, so is that a fucking cockroach? Yes, it was. All right, y'all. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. Went ahead and went with it's workout. Bigger wheels in the back. I mean, bigger tires. I feel that gap in a little better, give it a more aggressive stance. Probably space still, but pretty good, pretty good. Now, as far as bumper, good lord. This side, I was able to get it pretty much perfect. Now this side, because of the headlight, I have a seam that's showing, and the tab is broken, so it'll just have to be what it is, right? Next up is headlight restoration, and I want to figure out fuse number 38. Why? If it's blown. What's up? That's up. We back. We back at it. Hot as hell today in Carolina. Got no AC in this little workshop of mine. Went ahead and put in the brand new crankshaft set positioning sensor, which goes all the way down there on the bottom. If you guys can see, pretty tough to see, but there's a ton of guides on YouTube on how to get to it. I may put some pictures up and I'll tag the DIY. But now he's got to put back the throttle body, the charge pipe. Still can't figure out why all my O2 sensor, the heater controls aren't working. So that ought to be something fun. Hopefully this crankshaft positioning sensor solves everything. So let's stay tuned and I'll update you guys. All right, y'all, got her started. No check engine light yet. Runs fucking mint. Runs fucking mint. I was trying to see this transmission still locked in the fourth or whatever was going on with that. Gonna have to see. Okay, I'll update y'all soon. All right, transmission looks like it's going into all the gears. Sounds fucking good. Got great turbo noises. Hey, let's get it. All right, here we are driving the car. You hear some sort of whining or something. I don't know what it is. I have to check it out, but had a coolant code. No more. Now it's just running like a champ. All I have to do is disconnect the battery, purge the coolant, and then I don't know why it was dry, but it was. But so many things with these cars, man. It's just so fidgety, right? Anybody else would have probably wanted to buy a whole entire water pump, but you gotta know how to diagnose these things, right? All right, y'all, I'm under the car right now, and gaskets were on, but one bolt was missing. So huge exhaust leak from this lower down pipe. I think the guy couldn't get the screw in the top once he did the lower down pipe. He couldn't get in the higher one, so he was like, fuck it. So we're gonna try to do this thing right. Another thing I found is stripped oil pan bolts. That's where my oil leak is coming from. So I probably try to retighten them to fix the oil leaks, and yep, you know that doesn't work with aluminum bolts. So yep, y'all, that's what we got going on. Talk to y'all soon. Y'all will not believe this shit. This man cut the O2 sensors. The pre-cat O2 sensors. Cut them. Both of them. Look. I was getting ready to finish the install here, and I just noticed. I was like, wait, let me check this front O2s. They're not even fucking hooked up. What in the fuck? What in the fuck? Okay, now I gotta take everything off. Absolutely insane. The last owner went ahead and cut out the O2 sensors. Wow. Cut them out. I mean, just said fuck it. Yo, I can't even make this shit up. I can't even make this shit up, dude. crazy. Primary O2s. Let's get that one out. Wow. Here it goes, look. I can see this shit live. Oh wait. Wow. Wow. Well, that solves my problem with the heater codes. That should be fun reinstallation. Do it right, and it should make some good power. Should run really good.